how to create Maven project in Eclipse. So let me go to the Eclipse. So guys, for creation Maven project in Eclipse, we have to follow some basic rule. It is very easy to create Maven project in Eclipse. So just click on File, New, select on Other option. So you will get a different project, Git, Gradle, okay, Java project. So our agenda is we have to create Maven project. So go to the Maven folder here. Yes, this is the Maven folder. Under Maven folder, you will get Maven project. Select that Maven project. Click on Next button. Okay. After clicking on Next button, we have to select the workspace location. At the time of installation of Eclipse, you guys have already created workspace, right? So if you want to use the same workspace location, so that time you can use the default workspace location. And suppose if you want to change the workspace location, then you can just click on browse and add the new path. Okay, but in my case I have already created my workspace and I want to use the same workspace location. So that is why I want to use default workspace location. So I have ticked on this checkbox, and you have to tick on this create a sample project checkbox. Okay, after that you have to select next. After clicking on next button, it will ask for group ID and artifact ID. So group ID you can mention your project name, and artifact ID you can mention your company name. So suppose I am giving the group ID as a automation project. 1, 2, 3. So I have given group ID automation project 1, 2, 3. Artifact ID I am giving qatech.com. So you can give whatever name you want, you can give it. So artifact ID generally you can prefer bank company name, and group ID you can prefer your project name. And no need to touch anything, version, packaging, no need to do anything. Just click on finish. So whenever you will click on finish button, this qatech.com Maven project already created in your under your project explorer. Okay, so just click on that qatech.com, you will get this kind of structure. So if you want to create some page class, you can add under main/java package. Suppose you want to create some automated test cases, if you want to write, you can write all the test cases under test/java package. Suppose if you want to read some data from your Excel file, okay, so that time you can use resources packages. Okay, and suppose you want to add some dependencies, suppose test-ng dependency you want to add, or some selenium dependency you want to add, so that time you can add under pom.xml file. So these are the basic structure after creating the Maven project. So main Java, main resources, test Java, test resources, src, pom.xml. So those are the basic folder structure whenever you will create any Maven project in Eclipse. So these are the basic steps guys you have to follow. So that's all from my side today. Thank you for watching the video.